This video reviews the Nautilus Glute drive and optional weight storage cassette assembly procedure. Required tools: unpacking. Carefully remove all packaging materials and lay all parts out in a clean, open area to prepare for assembly. Step 1. Swing the arms up and forward until they stop. Step 2. Remove the pivot shaft from the frame prior to mounting the backrest assembly. Step 3. Install the seat by lowering the backrest assembly into position. Step 4. Insert the shaft into the frame and through the backrest assembly. Slide the user right side cap onto the shaft, and then use a 13mm socket to secure one M8 bolt and washer to lock the cap in place. Step 5. Use a 6mm Allen key to secure two M8 by 16mm socket head cap screws into the backrest pivot shaft assembly. Optional weight storage. Step 1. Use a 16mm socket and a 16mm open-ended wrench to secure the standoff weldment to the weight cassette storage frame with two M8 by 70mm bolts and M8 nylock nuts and 4 washers. Step 2. Insert one washer into two of the M10 by 80mm bolts. Then insert the bolt and washer assembly through both holes of the mount flange. Step 3. Insert the mount flange assembly through the glute drive frame. Then use a 16mm socket and a 60mm open-ended wrench to secure the weight storage assembly to the glute drive frame with two M10 nylock nuts and washers.